Okay, we're estimating 49 divided by 3. So, we are trying to figure out about how many times does 3 go into 49. So, to do that, we need to do our multiples of 3. So, we start with 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. We keep going. 15. 18. So, whenever I get higher than 49, I want you to stop me. I'm just going to keep going until you tell me to stop. 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 40, 48, 51. Okay, so 49 was what we were going for, and 49 is somewhere in between 48 and 51. There's 49 in there. So we are trying to figure out two things. We are trying to figure out the answer is in between what numbers, and then it is about what number. So, two things. First thing is, what two numbers is it in between? So, to do that, I need to figure out how many times did I multiply by 3 to get here and here. So, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times for that one, 17 times for this one. So, 49 is between 16 and 17 times. If you wrote between 48 and 51, that's not right. You have to count how many times
I never wrote on my finger.
did you do it. So it was between 16 and 17 times, but the important question is, was it closer to 16 times or was it closer to 17 times? If this is 16 times and this is 17 times and the number we were looking for was 49, which one is it closer to, Fatima?
16.
It's closer to 16 times. It's only 1 away, 2 away. So it's about 16 times. Okay, I had to write a lot of numbers on the board to do this. There is a shortcut that you can use. And that shortcut is your tens times tables. So, let's look at another one. I know that you all know your tens times tables because you all did them for the ice cream challenge.
Not all of everyone?
Yeah, everyone. Everyone did their tens times table.
I did all of them.
Let's think of another, let's see. Say we wanted to do 76 divided by, I gotta make sure it doesn't work evenly. Okay, 76 divided by,
5.
let's say 7.
5.
Okay. So, let's do, that's not a good number, because I want it to be smaller than that. Let's do 76 divided, let's do 77 divided by 3. I like that. Okay, so we could do our 3's times table, starting all the way at the beginning. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, what we just did, all the way up. But it took a long time, and I had to write a lot of numbers. So you can go ahead and jump, because you know what 3 times 10 is. What is 3 times 10? 30. So instead of starting all the way at 3 and wasting all that time, let's just start at 30. And we know that's 3 times 10. Okay, we're closer. Now,
It takes still a long time.
it's still going to take a long time, but it's not going to take nearly as long as it would have if we had just kept going. So, 30, 33, 36. Yeah, you're right. This is going to take a long time. Let's do 57. Okay. Let's do 47. Okay.
Again, that's not that long.
Okay, 39, 42, 45, 48.
Stop.
Okay, that's where it is. So I know that my answer is in between. Here, I was going for 47. Now the question is, how many times do I have to multiply by 3 to get here?
6 and 7.
So you could, maybe you think, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 and 7. But you have to remember, this wasn't 1. This was 10. And this was 11. And this was 12. And this was 13. So if you're going to make the jump to give yourself a little shortcut, you have to remember that. This was 10, 11, 12, 13.
Do you have to stop from 10?
14.
Do you stop from like
15. Yeah, you could start from 12, but 10's easy. So, now, Ahmed, what two numbers is it in between? Okay, so, my answer is going to be between 15 and 16. But the question is, which one is it closer to? Is it closer to 15 or is it closer to 16? Raise your hand, Maha. So it's only one away from here. It's two away from here. So it's closer to 16.
How about it was the same away?
That hasn't happened yet, so hopefully it won't.